Prototyping is really expensive, really long process, often takes months and £100,000 to produce the product that you need. By which time you give it to your clients, your users, and even if they don't like it, it is far too late for them to really suggest substantive changes. So all of that means it takes ages, it's really expensive, and it's really risky to try to propose designs because you just don't know until it's too late whether it's the design that you need to produce. With our partner, we're using new technologies like mixed reality to create new physical and digital worlds that users can explore right from the early stages of the design. So we'll take a physical prototype, we'll synchronize that with a reconfigurable, flexible digital model. And just through using that and playing with it, essentially, the user can communicate what they want, communicate what they need, and speak the design language that otherwise they don't have access to. Loads of beneficiaries potentially for this. There's end users, the people who actually are ultimately buying the product. They need to put their input into it as early as they possibly can. But also the design teams and other stakeholders in there. So manufacturers need to understand what they're making. The designers need to communicate amongst each other, amongst their teams, from the user back to themselves. They need to have that same sort of technology and language. And most of the time they work in 2D interfaces, pictures and renders. Wouldn't it be great if they could work directly in 3D, directly in the real world, directly on the geometries? So we've got these beneficiaries that go right from the early supply chain through to the people making the products, right through to the people who are ultimately going to buy them.